get it, baby. Let's go. We're rolling out. We're gonna go downtown Atlanta right now. Let's get it. Let's go. Damn, I ain't got none of my shit on what it needs to be on. Up there, bro. A lot of stuff that we didn't see down there at the meet earlier. This is the infamous BP that y'all have always seen down here in ATL. Damn, that bike bright as f on the camera. Shit. Look at my guy out here. Damn. Look at all of them. Got a Gixxer back there, R6. Got an older Fireblade, 954. Let's go. That thing is in good condition too. That thing is looking fire, bro. Hell yeah. To be as old as it is, Gixxer, old Ninja, old GSX, 600, you already seen that. There's a 400 back here. We got our first 400 of the day, I believe. Look at this though. My guy got him a little, we got him a little hot chick, a little backpack. Got him a little backpack on there. Oh, look at that bike. Oh, look at him, dust them off, boy. Sazon Moto in the building. Out there looking fire. Let's go. Look at all that beautiful honeycomb carbon. We got some of that on the way for the R1, baby. Not nearly as much as him, but we're working on it. Check out that M1K. The 1199. This bike's here I didn't see earlier. That's awesome. YZF 1K, baby. Wow, this is pretty much like what would have been the R1 back in the day. I'm pretty sure. Before that was the R1. Or no, this might have been a different, like a touring version, I believe. I don't know. ZX10 out. We got an R1, another ZX10. We got another Gixxer 600. What we got right here? ZX10 probably. CBR 1000RR. What up, Mac? We got my boy Dumungus on his Gixxer 1000 out here. We got a Ducati that we seen out here earlier, V4. ZX10, another Gixxer. Check out this yellow, bro. That's looking fire. Yeah, this bike's looking clean, baby. Yes, sir. He's got this done up right. I like it. R1M out here. This is actually not fast lane D's. If you didn't notice, it's got a rada pipe on it. Different winglets. Well, actually, it has winglets. Another R1 ZX10. Some kind of old bag or street glide type deal looking thing. I never know with the Harleys, bro, because there's so many different freaking models and they all almost look the same. We got another ZX10. What we got right here? We got a Tracer 900. I bet that thing's a blast. Yes, sir. Another Gixxer back here. We got an MT09 or MT10. MT10. Got CBR 1K. Got an older Gixxer here. Check this out. That's sick. A lot of chrome, baby. A lot of chrome. A lot of carbon too. I don't even know what this is. What is this? Ducati Monster. We got another Gixxer out. Gixxer boys is out heavy today. Hot and heavy. We got our R3 out. We got an S1K. Another Gixxer out. Another Gixxer. R1K. Yes, sir. Let's go. It's lit out here. It is lit out here, baby. Gixxer 1K ZX6R out. S1K. A new M1K. Or not M1K. S1K. Gixxer 750. We got another Gixxer. I believe that's a 1K.
Definitely thick out here.
Got this boy out here.
This.
That was pretty sick. Atlanta's got a pretty solid bike life, bro. I mean, a lot of us came from out of state too, but they definitely got their own little bike life here for sure. It's a girl rider right here, female rider, hell yeah. That's always lit. Oh, they're about race. People with us that wasn't with us. Nah, that's crazy. Here they come. That was crazy. Skyline, baby. I'm definitely bringing the drone out here later. This is one of the prettiest skylines that I think I've ever seen, and every time that I see it, it still amazes me. Every single time, bro. It never fails. Dude out here just standing, bro. What the hell is he doing? Freaking dusting his floor mats off? Look, bro got the gun with him, yes sir. Look at this, bro. We got a little homeless tent set up over here. Woo! Woo! Got Mac in the building, baby. Thanks, buddy. Trump back there, boys, downtown. This man throwing all kinds of rocks at me too. That was crazy, bro. They was all back there shaking. God, they're gonna get me demonetized out here. I didn't know they had like a tram/trail system. Trolley. Downtown, bro. I had a bad experience the last time I went downtown somewhere, but here we are. We're out here chilling, bro. They're like, yep, that one ain't got no drugs. Check that out, boy. We got a whole bunch of bikes over there. Didn't see none of them at the meetup earlier. I don't think. No, I don't think so. They said no parking. No parking right here. We gotta keep going somewhere. Hello, go! We got the choppers out. Hell yeah. That thing was bad. Clean too. Three-finger that clutch right now, bro. What do y'all want to do? Say fuck it. There's a lot of damn cops over here too. What are you doing? We're not parking here, bro. Oh no.
not I.